optimize your workflow with the Stream Deck XL as a developer. So let's say you have a project running in Docker, the backend is running on Docker, frontend is outside of Docker in a separate folder, and Docker is not even running. You just started the PC up. Instead of like wasting 2 minutes on it, you have one button press which does everything. So you can see Docker, backend, then frontend, and then opens the page automatically, which cuts down a lot on time. This took a few seconds instead of minutes. Then you have like, I like to keep my terminal clean. So I have like the cancel, like Control C 2 times to cancel the comment, clear. Then I have like the exit, then again the clear, exit, clear, exit, done. Docker is still running. You can close it with a long button press, but we don't want to close it. Let's say again you want to go into the backend folder. You have this command, which will open it in the wrap. You opened backend. As you can see in backend, you want to frontend folder, done. You want to check out production or main, depends on how your branch is called, and pull it. You can do it instead of like comments. Same we can do for the front end. Let's go front end and pull the main branch. Same, you get to check like on what branch you are on, branch status, pull, check out branch to create a new branch, and you just switch, add the name. You can cancel, you get to git add, git commit, npm run dev, open localhost to keep the MacBook running so it doesn't sleep. Raycast pushing, this is the Cloudflare tunnel, screenshots of parts where you select the part, screenshot of the full page. Next page on the Stream Deck is just basic production page. This is like the Sentry, Run Cloud, DigitalOcean, SendGrid, Versal, Insight, Versal, Cloudflare, backend GitHub, frontend GitHub, App Connect, Google Play Store where you publish the apps, Lemon Squeezy, another app that I'm building, Stripe, Reason, Supabase, Music, NordVPN, and the router, YouTube, admin panel of the production website, Wise, performance and analytics. And this is just like for my workflow, this is perfect. I don't need much more. I add maybe one new thing every 2 weeks. But the good part is you get to create subfolders, as many pages as you want. You get to create profiles. So if you for one for development, one for video editing, you can put them in different kind of folders. Like you can have just a Git folder, you can have just like a website folder, and it's really simple to do. So I have also, this is basically wrap going into the backend, in the main folder of the app, starting cloud and setting max effort. So, and I have them also separate, cloud and effort max. So it's really fun to use. I will show you all, you can hear also the sound. So it's a really enjoyable experience. Instead of using like shortcuts with like 3-4 button presses, you get that instantly in one button press. That is also really satisfying, I would say. Raycast and so on. But the best part is you can customize it how much you like it and to fit exactly your workflow. And it's really good because you don't waste time on like cd switching folders, switching like starting applications, or like manual things like clicking around finding specific pages. Let's say I would need to go find Google in the doc, then open it, then type in the name, so I just press one button, click, and I'm on the production page. Same goes for the App Store, GitHub, Run Cloud, and everything. So it's not like that you save 5 minutes per every button click. You could, if you have time to set that up correctly, but at the end you save around like 10, 15, 20 seconds on every button click. So that adds up a lot in the long run. So I would suggest developers try it out, try adding your like specific workflow, maybe you don't use front end or back end separately, or you have something else. So I would suggest you try it out. You should probably, you don't need maybe the XL version, but it's much better, in my opinion, to have much more comments, the main comments on the first page instead of like going to the folders and changing it. And so I would suggest try it out. And yeah, leave also a comment if you already using it and something that I should change or like update, or that maybe some combination macros or something that I need to add on mine. So thank you for watching, and we will, I hope you come back soon. Ciao.